Okay, so I just came home from work and the Amazon. I just came home from work and the Amazon box is at the front door. So we're gonna open this and see what's in it. I buy so much things I don't even know what's here, but we're gonna figure it out. Okay. Help. Oh. It's the faucet. It's here. I can't wait, guys, to get this kitchen together. Y'all gotta follow along to see home renovation process, you know? Your girl is doing her thing over here. But yeah, this is the old kitchen behind me. The new kitchen is coming in soon. Cabinets already here just to get, you know, get myself situated and stuff. But yeah. But look, we got our faucet. It's heavy. Very heavy. Got our faucet. Oh, Lord. It's heavy, heavy, heavy. But I guess this goes like this part, like down here, like this. And then this goes in here like this. I guess. I'm assuming. So this is the faucet. It's big. And then you have here where you can do spray or whatever. But here you have the sensor where you wave. But you know what my favorite part of this is? Look. Look how long the hose is. You could fill a pot way over there. It's very long. Let me go back. It's very long. I could shower with it. Very long. So that's good. There we go. Now it's in place. All right, so that's the faucet. Because this is like the battery pack for the sensor with the waver. And these are the tube and the holes and whatever. And then we have this piece. And this, I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. I guess we gotta read the book to find out what it is. Because I'm thinking it's probably this is probably the weights. The weight is probably for this. I'm thinking it's for this. We're going to have to read the book and see how it works. But I'm thinking it's to keep this in place because it's so long. But yeah, that's it. We're going to pack them back up. And we're going to reopen them in the morning because it's nighttime and it's hard to see. I don't know. This is really not the color I wanted. I thought it was a different color. But I guess we'll see. But yeah, this is the faucet. Yeah, the weight goes on this. I think the weight goes right on this. But yeah, it's nice. Right? It's a big old faucet.